Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Khanin and welcome to my channel. I am a Flutter developer in Thailand. Today, I would like to show you an example how to implement the design system with the theme extension. Like in the last project, we usually work with the we usually have a design system that we need to follow, and implementing it in the Flutter is quite crucial. That like you should you it's better like for us to know how to implement it like correctly, and unfortunately, Flutter team has something called ThemeExtension to support in that as well. Today I will show you that. And the example of the app will be like this. So this is a simple app that has just a simple widget, which is a card. This is the light mode and this is the dark mode. Simply as that. But we will implement this using theme extension. What is theme extension? Theme extension is the extension of a theme, obviously. And how to say? We need a theme extension to implement design system because the default color scheme of the Flutter material app, you're not gonna have the default color scheme is not going to support the design token. All right, I forgot to show you the design token that we are going to use. So the design token that we are going to use is as follow. You can see this is the token name. Usually in the design, they will have the tokens that contain different value for each light mode and dark mode color in your theme. All right, we will implement that. Like for example, for subtitle, it's going to be more like dark gray, and this for the dark mode, it will be like lighter gray. And okay, and obviously, like for the token name, here, it will be different for each project for sure. So relying on the default color scheme from the theme in from Flutter is not gonna cover our use case for sure. That is why that we need to use extension to solve for our solution. All right. So let's get back to the agenda. Okay. So okay. Next step, I will implement the design system with theme extension. Let's go and let's do it. Okay, this is the blank project. I'm going to create a new folder called themes. And under themes folder, I'm going to call it like maybe design system colors dot. And in design system colors dot, let's say, let me look at the example that I already made. It's gonna be something like that. Theme mode, theme extension. Okay, so we're gonna call our class called design system colors, which extends theme extension, which has a type of our design system colors. This is a pattern that theme extension requires us to do, and we've missing to override method, which are .copyWidth and slurp. For the compiler, let's forget about it for now. So this is where we are going to put our design token names into our class. I'm gonna copy it from the original project that I made. Sorry about my mistake. Okay, so this is the color, as you can see. And this color, let's make it latte. So you can see here. So for us to easier follow the design system and implement it in the app in our project, we just better use like the same name. And yeah, this name should be would be the camel case. and we need to communicate with the designer as well. And because, as you can see, this is background, border, shadow, title, subtitle, and this is straightforward. All right, and we need constructor for it. I'm going to like just simply copy that for, okay. So this is our design system colors, and also I'm going to, and to be honest, this code is actually working. Like, I mean, it works, but to complete it, like to handle the copy with and dot left and method left, we are going to save us some time. I'm going to, as you can see, it just like to return the same object that but with only updated value that we want to use in this case. But in this project or in this example, we are not going to use it. And also with left. Okay. All right. Okay. This one is the main class for our design system, and then after that we're gonna assign value to each mode of our theme. So I'm going to start with the light theme. Light theme colors dot. Okay, I'm gonna make it cont, and it's called light theme. Design system colors, and all right. Okay, and then after that we're going to assign the value, and but yeah, as usual, to make some time, it's just a simple color value that we already have. Color is defined dot material dot, and also with the dark theme colors, theme colors dot. Okay, this one is dark theme colors, and with the value of here. Okay, all right. So right now we got the class that contain that like is the structure of our design tokens, and this is the light theme value, and this is the dark theme value or instance. Okay, and let's see. We are going to use it like in the thread as a simple method, like here. Like we're gonna make the rectangle, like to just to demonstrate how like the theme actually works. I'm just gonna delete this, and center just going to be just only maybe like just container, and the width of 100, height of 100, and maybe just color of red, just for now. And then boop. Oh, not that one. All right, just while we're waiting, just to I mean, like we can continue working on. Okay, so we need to provide the light theme, light colors and dark colors. I mean, dark theme colors to our themes, and actually, here's come the red rectangle. So actually, the Flutter theme have, as I told you, it's already supported by the Flutter theme. So this is not like something nothing fancy. The theme data.light. and then dot copy width, and with the value of extensions. As you can see, the extensions here, they receive iterable of the theme extension with the class of the dynamic, and the dynamic that we decide that we provide to this class is a design system colors. So as you can see, I will this iterable of the light theme colors that we made. And you guess what? For dark theme, what do we do? It's just super straightforward. And then dot copy width, and we also extension, and it's obviously dark theme color. It's a file that we made. This is so we got a light theme. I mean, I use the copy width light, so they have like many different many default values that will like make our app that maybe they use some colors that are not provided by our design system yet, so we can like not have to handle every design details. Yeah. Okay, this is the theme with the extension of the light theme color, and this is dark theme with the extension of the dark theme colors. All right, so and how we are going to use it, let's pick one color that will look. I think I will just let display this color content here. All right, I forgot to set the theme mode. All right, theme mode dot light for now. Okay, so in our app we come to context here, and then we find on as a system color. Let's say my color. Okay. I'm going to follow this tutorial. I mean like this example for the official website, so you can see the different. Oh, not like that here. Okay, I'm gonna need to use this method for now, and but later I'm going to provide you with the extension, with the tools that are going to make our life easier here. All right. Okay, so let's try it manually and see if I'm going to type it correctly all the way through. It's always a challenge, to be honest. And design system color, and it's nullable. As you can see, like this default method is not that user friendly at all, because yeah, at first it's like form context is quite long. We have to cast type, and it's also nullable. So yeah. Okay, and how are we going to use it? So we just simply use my colors dot what did we select? Content, right? Content color, and let's see if yeah, and it's changed. All right, so right now we already made the change to the we already used the color from our design system. What if it's a dark mode? Dark mode is going to be right here. We just change it here for now because it for the example purpose, right? Later we will use we will have the state management to cover this state here, just to make so we can update the state from the UI. Okay, right. Actually, this is pretty much it. Just kidding. All right. So, and how do we actually use it in our UI widget? And it's actually this one is also this is a widget. We use the same thing but with more detail. All right. New folder widget and new file. We call it custom car. Okay. Oh, before moving on, I think I should provide you with the better solution for this one. All right, and then let's see how different, how much simpler it is. So in theme, the purpose of the extension is like to for us to don't have like type this code, this inconvenient way to use the theme colors all the time, everywhere, every widget is going to be a nightmare for everyone. It's not a good idea. All right, so I'm going to introduce it like theme helpers dot, and let's say it's actually the extension of a class. Let's see, extension, theme color getter on view context. This one can be, this one you can name anything. It's just like for a different purpose. Shh. My daughter is coming. All right. Oh no, not that. Okay. And for this extension, we want to get design system color, get method, and let's name it just design system color. Oh. To return is a theme.of this, which is the context, and extension is the same code, but we just wrap it here to use it everywhere. All right, it's design system color, and as you can see, we want it to return non-nullable here, but this one is nullable, so we just put like default themes. It just in case it like the context doesn't provide you with anything, we will return the light theme. So we don't have to deal with the nullable later on. We just default it to the light value, light theme values. Yeah. So back to our example. So I'm going to uncomment this, and let's see how much simpler it is going to be. So right now, design system colors, my colors, and it's going to be context what dot design system colors, and I think it's too small, sorry. And it's going to be design system colors. And yep, that's work. Let's check with the dark theme again. Okay, it's working now. Right. Okay. All right. Here it's working. Okay. Next step, we're going to use it in our widget, custom card widget. I'm going to just get it from the example, because like explaining all the card will be not related much to the video, to the purpose of this video. Okay, so the widget's custom card here. So let's say, and we get the design system. Okay, let me explain the card. So the custom card has nothing much. It has title, subtitle, content, and icon. But each colors have a different color, but it's following the design system. For example, the background, they use the like colors of background, which is this color, but yeah, different value on each theme. And same thing happens to shadow color, icon colors, text colors, title colors, subtitle, content, and everything and so on. Okay, and we use the same method to get the colors from our theme. And yeah, so let's go to our main dot, and we can let's try just put this to column, children, custom card, and this one is title 1, subtitle, this is content, let's say icons. I will use icons dot add. The UI will be similar to the one that I showed you earlier. Let's see. All right, we got the card here. And also, what do we want? Actually, as you can see, we don't need to use it in this context anymore because we already use the theme colors in the widget itself. So we don't have like to pass all the colors. Yeah. So as long as any widgets are under this theme, they will have access to the both light and dark theme colors with this method. All right. Okay, back to the theme. And okay, let's see. Let's make sound like 3 cards. 2, 3. Yep. And let's see if it works in this. Let's try it too dark. Actually, this is pretty much it for the dark theme colors, but the app is not completed, right? Because user have no like access how to change a theme here. So on the next part, we are going to implement the how handle dark and light theme mode state with Bloc, but actually it's a Cubit, a simple version of the Bloc. All right. Okay, for the Cubit, we need to add the Flutter block, Flutter, add Flutter block. I'm nervous, to be honest. All right. Okay, we got Flutter block now in our pub spec. Here, good. Let's make some Bloc theme, maybe new folder, Bloc here, a new file, theme Cubit.dart, and we're gonna into like class theme mode. Oh, it's no, obviously, and it extend Cubit with the type of the just theme mode. Theme mode do not have constructor. And we need a constructor for it. Theme mode Cubit with super with am I correct? Like theme mode dot light. So this is the initial value of this state of this Cubit when it was first created, and when we are going to have the method for it. So update the mode method will receive the mode, obviously, mode, and then emit with state, new state with theme mode, not theme mode. And that's pretty much it for our Cubit. I'll go back to our main.dart. I'm just going to wrap with the block provider here, and block provider need to be import, and this one is going to be mode Cubit. And we need to access to the state of the Cubit for the material app here. So we have to wrap with the block builder. So the block of Cubit here is a theme mode Cubit, and the state here is theme mode. These are the block pattern, simple block pattern. And all right, so we have the block builder, we have context and the state here. And state here is the theme mode that we initialize here. Let's try it out. So state here. Let's try it out. State. So right now it's light. Oh, I'm not going to save that. And let's try changing it to dark from the initial state. Dark. It's not going to change because it's hot reload, and then you need, but for the block to update, you need to reinitiate. You have to restart the app. So it's become the dark mode now. So let's get back to light. Okay, back here. Right now, so right now, our material app read the state from the Cubit to handle theme mode. Next, we are going to update theme mode from the different widgets from somewhere else. Let's say I'm going to create a switch to switch between light theme and dark theme. Let me get the code from the example, and I will just explain for you guys. Okay, so all right. So as you can see, we got a switch here, and it is the dark switch to toggle between dark and light theme. What I do is simple block builder, and we got access to the theme mode as usual, and we got the switch, and the value of the switch will be equal whether if the theme mode is dark or not. All right. So if it's true, that means it is dark mode, like that. True. And also on change. I'm going to, it's as simple, it's the same logic, just on change a new value. And I'm going to, if so I can say that if it's a dark mode, I will return the dark mode. And if it's not dark mode, it is light, I'm going to return the light mode. And yeah, this is how simply it is to create dark and light mode in Flutter. And with this implementation, you can as long as the widget that you are using is under this theme, it's not covered by any closed theme or any not override a theme, it will have access to the dark theme and light theme over here. All right, so I think that's pretty much it. Let's recap. So today I already showed you the example of the example app. I explained you what is ThemeExtension, and I will provide you more detail with the link. And actually, it's just a link from here. It's nothing much. And I did show you how to implement the style system with ThemeExtension, and I also how to use the ThemeExtension in our widgets, and also I provide you with the helper to make your our code cleaner and easier to use. And also I show you how to change theme mode, handle the state of theme mode, light and dark, with Bloc or Cubit. All right. If you guys got any question or anything that maybe I was wrong, or anything I could improve, please let me know in the comment. All right. Okay, so thank you very much, and see you guys in the next video. Let me know. All right. Okay. Bye.